Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I spice my fish. Today I'm showing you how I spice my fish. I use this gram masala powder. It's the mixture of several spices. So I like using this one. I spice it like this. After that, I like white lemon. I put lemon, it will taste nice. After that, I like using the spice we call cumin. Cinnamon. I like putting cumin. Yeah, this one, we call it cumin. In Arabic, we put like that. I like. And then, hey, I don't forget putting chili powder. This one will make it tasty. And then I put more salt. I like putting salt, tasting salt of the fish in the fish. And then, don't forgetting the cauliflower. This one, yeah. And then after that, what follows is mixing up. We mixed up. Guys, after spicing it up, okay, we have to make sure everywhere are spicy. Inside, outside, we mix that. After we wash it very well, and then we cut it, we put in the middle here, we put spices, we spice it everywhere like this. Yes, don't worry, I'm wanting my phone with my hand. Tomorrow I'll take care of it. We constant, yes, we spice everywhere. We make sure we have spice everywhere. This is how we spice our fish. The fish everywhere inside. We make sure the salt is tasty and the lemon is tasty. Yeah, this is how we do. Yeah, fish. I like fish. How I spice my fish. Yes. Okay, all right, guys. After spicing my fish, I don't want all the spice to go with the oil because I'm going to do something we call deep frying. This one, but I have to put this flour on the top. I put like this because this one I don't want all the spicy go with the oil. Go inside the oil because I'm doing something we call deep frying fish. Okay, yeah, I make sure on the top I put this like this. Yes. Okay, all right. If you are the first time here watching this and you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do so, because you are going to learn a lot about cooking. Yeah, Arab's food. Yes, after spicing it like this, you see, I'll now deep frying it in the oil. Alright guys, while I was waiting for the oil to be hot, I was making sauce there. Okay, we like eating fish with the sauce. This sauce contains tomato paste, garlic and onion, and then I will put coriander for the red taste. And then the oil is ready. If you want to make fish, you wait the oil to be ready like this. It is very much hot. Yes, it will cutter. Yes, like this now. That's our fish. Just doing that way. Eat with the white rice. Yes, done.